The CUNY to CUNY by subject feature on Trex does just what it says. It's for anyone who wants to know how CUNY courses under a specific subject, like say English, transfer to another CUNY school. We'll use Jessica here to illustrate how it works. Jessica's a student at Queensborough Community College, but she's also taken some classes at Kingsborough as part of the College Now program while she was in high school. Her plan is to eventually transfer to John Jay, and she wants to know how her credits will transfer. After clicking in from the main menu, Jessica sees it's a 3-step process. She'll pick the colleges, then select the subjects so she can view the equivalency, or in other words, how her credits will transfer. So, in the Transferring From section, Jessica selects Queensborough and Kingsborough, the 2 colleges she's attended. Then, down in the Transferring To college, she checks the John Jay box, the college she wants to attend, and clicks Next. Jessica sees a lot of subjects, 257 to be exact. Since Jessica's interested in how English will transfer, she types that in the search box. She selects English, and you can see Trex lists all the different English subject codes for each college in this column. Then Jessica clicks the Next button to view equivalencies, and 42 English courses pop up for the 2 schools she selected, Kingsborough and Queensborough. If you select multiple schools, the list goes in alphabetical order by school. Right off the top, Jessica can see that the English 1200 class she took at Kingsborough transfers into John Jay as College Composition 1. She scrolls through the listings to Queensborough and sees that the English 231 class she's planning to take next semester would transfer to John Jay as an English elective credit. Jessica wants to talk to her Queensborough advisor about that, so she takes advantage of another handy Trex feature, the bookmark. She checks this little icon to the left of the course description, and the information saves to her bookmarks. She can access them at any time from the upper right-hand corner of the site. She also bookmarks what looks like a better option, English 241, so she can share both with her advisor. When she clicks View Bookmarks, Jessica has the option to share a unique link to her bookmark page, send it as an email directly to her advisor, or even download it as a PDF. Just another way CUNY Trex can help Jessica and you make your transfer journey as easy and seamless as possible.